arrived here now. Finally, we're here, back in the site where all the materials are being put up together. We got 2 barrels and the pump and some remaining materials are coming that we didn't buy the other day. Hi, welcome to the Foreigner in the Philippines. Just to give you an insight on how far the house of Nisa and how far we get the materials bringing with the Carabao and carrying the person. So we start from here. Ay, nabili mo to? Naku, sandal ha. It's very muddy and slippery. Look, it's like coffee. That's very out there. The one who carry is one of the Superman team. And the little boy there is the brother of Nisa. Oh, look. Barefoot. Walking barefoot. Because if I wear slippers or sandal, probably it takes me so long. Pas kahapon na. Yeah, it's around 5:30. We need to walk faster so that we will not be ended walking in the dark. Whew. We're hoping, supposedly tomorrow we're going to Cebu for check up of Nisa, if she's hemoglobin is rise up or what's the changes, because the doctor says that once her hemoglobin is going up to 10, she's ready for an operation. But if not, then additional another week for difficult to talk when you're walking. Once her hemoglobin is going up to 10, she could undergo operations, but if it's not, then another weeks for treatment of her tuberculosis. But for now, she had a treatment, she had a medication for the tuberculosis and Peros for anemia, anti-anemia, I think, if I'm not wrong. Thank you, Lord. I'm very sleepy. Oh, by the way, I forgot what to say because it's difficult to walk and do a video in a slippery and an uphill climb. This is the place also when we don't have the truck yet. This is the shortcut because it's nearer. Every time we go to the town, we walk up to here, and also going to the church. And also when Terence and I ride in a bike, this is the place also we went through because it's more safe than the other road, but still it needs to be very careful, because if you go on the other side and you put your foot on the other side, you can balance. So I think this is also the other hassle of bringing the materials to the site, because all the ballast, all the gravel, all the wood and other materials needed, some hose and other materials for the water, is also carrying by a person or by the Carabao, so it's additional expenses, because before we only have the 3 Superman, 3 workers, so only Perry Pastor Tim, my brother Timio, and also my other brother Bini. So just the three of them, but because there's an additional works to be done, carrying some materials, bringing the ballast with the carabao, you know, and some gravels, some wood. So there are additional, I think Nelson, the brother of Nisa, also Dondon, the husband of Lisel, and Manong Rado helped also, just to make the work quick, you know. So just to sum up, the Lok Talik Lake is barefoot and balulot. Yeah, we're planning to go to Cebu tomorrow with Nisa for another lab test, but I don't think we can go there because of the weather. So I'll just text the doctor, because the doctor tell me if anything you want to ask or anything you want to verify, you can text me. So he gave his number to me, and I'm going to text tomorrow and says that is it possible if we just go next week when the weather is fine, because it's difficult to be in the small boat. And also, what if there's another typhoon coming and we will be stranded in Cebu, you know. So that's one thing that we don't want to be happen, so just postpone it. Oh my god, it's very slippery here. Wait, balulot, bangon. Yeah, balulot, God slide. Bangon, gingan tangali ka. Paghinay kay pertinandang uga. Yeah. Yeah, we need to. It's very out there. It's very sleepy. So to those who don't know how to walk in a slippery, this kind of walk is not advisable, especially to those who have a high blood pressure, because it's scary. You will be having a heart attack, you know. So again, thank you to those who send gifts to Nisa. You know, we're very grateful. She's very grateful, because all these changes will not be possible without your help, you know. So thank you very much for sharing your blessings to her. Oh, ting ting. That's one of Manong Rado's son. So that's Nisa's house there, the house of Nisa's brother. Oh, very sleepy. Oh my god. Sige na. Sige no. Dito na tanan kay adto man ang reserve viewer. Yeah, we're here now. So that's the house that we built for Nisa. Looking great, you know. So now you know how far and what are the struggles before all the materials are bringing here, especially in the mud, slippery area. So again, thank you very much, you know. It's looking great, you know. Thank you, and please like, comment, and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Have a good day and good